add in water here.
Put it in it?
Yeah.
The whole thing?
How much is it? Right here. Add
Then
that
pour
in.
it on it.
Put it in. Okay.
Can I put it yolk in?
Yeah, go ahead. Careful, but try not to have the brownie powder go out of the bowl. Use hold it the other way.
Turning it to chocolate. It looks like it's getting stuck.
Here's the current situation. It's chaos in here. I just came back from a huge Target run, which explains mini muffin boxes and yogurt boxes all about. I'm currently making chicken noodle soup from scratch for our family who is currently sick with either the cold or the flu. And we're just gonna do a drop off for them. And then I usually do like double batch of whenever I make something for someone. So just might as well make it for ourselves too. You can mix it now, Lincoln. Lincoln's making brownies because we're gonna go over to our friend's place for dinner tonight. And we're going to eat Indian food.
Chocolate.
It is chocolate, it's brownies. So we're gonna bring
It's
some,
stuck in the middle. Can't get it out. It's stuck in the middle.
we can bring a dessert, but one of the kids can't have dairy unless it's baked in. So we're gonna make baked brownies, right? And then I'm also gonna make some Rice Krispie treats as well. I don't know if you can eat that or not, but just, you know, to have something extra.
I'm turning the bowl.
Okay, I need you to squirt this chocolate sauce in. See where it's cut? You wanna point it down like this. Lincoln, do you like cooking with mommy?
Yeah.
He was sad because I said I don't think we have time to cook brownies together. I was in a rush and I took longer Target than I wanted to. And he got really sad, right? So I'm trying to do it while I'm making the chicken soup. Make sure it's all squeezed out of there.
I got chocolate on my hand. But I didn't put it in the entrance.
You can put it in the entrance, but you have chocolate on your hand?
Yeah.
That's okay, you can lick it.
Because I put it there.
Don't touch the stuff after you lick it, you're done.
I looked it now. Can I wash my hands?
Okay, yeah. And now mommy will finish it, okay?
That's it?
Yep.
It's not even a brownie yet.
I know, it's gotta bake. Waiting for the chicken to poach and then I'm gonna shred it up. I browned it in the pan first. Onion, celery, and carrots, bay leaf. I always like to cook noodles separately so that it doesn't bloat in the soup and continue to absorb the broth. You want a piece?
Can I have a big one?
Yep.
Good.
Good, right?
I was rushing around at Target for so long and now we have to get going soon, so we ate cereal for lunch. What's your sister doing?
I'm playing with my car.
What? How can she move?
I gave her the car.
She's just sitting around like a potato? Normally I use bone-in, skin-on chicken for these kinds of chicken soups. I have a recipe on our website and I also made a video. I'll leave the link for that video in the description box if you want to know how to make like an easy home-style chicken noodle soup. So definitely use bone-in, skin-on chicken, but in a pinch, because I got this chicken at Target when I was out and I didn't have any chicken in the freezer. You can still do this. I'm doing a couple of shortcuts to my recipe because it's just like trying to do it as quick as possible. The brownies are in the oven, and then once the noodles are done cooking, I'm gonna use the same pot. I'll rinse it out and then put my Rice Krispies going on that. I'm like trying to balance everything at once. Trying a little sample. It's really good. Brownies should be done soon. Rice Krispies are done and just chilling out. Joe's making formula over here. It's like a science project.
Done?
Almost. Look, the Rice Krispies.
The Rice Krispies are done.
You want to try the soup? I'll give you a spoonful. Yeah. Okay. That's good. You want more?
Is this yours?
Yeah, but I just made a sample to taste it. I had extra noodles. I just want to make sure it tastes good before I give it to them. Looks like the brownies are almost done too, bud. We're just trying to pack it all up. We're gonna swing by and drop off the food and the medicine on our way there, and then we're gonna go out to dinner. It's gonna be for the family. It's gonna be for dinner tonight, and maybe some leftover for ourselves. Is this better than cereal for lunch? Just dropped off the food and the meds, and now we're heading to our friend's place. That was like, whew, I was like sweating the last minute. I was scrambling around, but I'm glad that I got it done. This is some huge naan. I mean, you cannot tell by scale right now, but like, that's my hand. That looks so good. Is this the garlic naan?
I ordered mostly garlic and then 2 regular.
Nice.
Do you care knowing what is what?
No, I'll eat anything.
If anything,
Just for Lincoln. He just probably eats the one.
Chicken.
Yeah, just a chicken tikka masala, rice, and naan.
Like tikka masala.
I need a spoon or a fork.
Yeah,
You
you'll
want
just
one?
wait. You'll get one. Where's this from?
Himalayan.
Himalayan?
Yeah.
So this is your second time eating from here?
Oh no, we ate multiple times.
Oh, really? This is your go-to place.
Yeah, we tried somewhere else last time, but we like Himalayan better. Although the last place was good too.
I love Indian food. It reminds me of my time in New York.
Did they have good?
Yeah, because I
It's
used.
very diverse, right?
Yeah, I mean, I don't know why, but after church we would go to Indian food every time.
Yeah.
I don't know why that was the case. We just did it. Oh, those are some big naans, seriously.
Actually, that's chicken. This is fish.
This is my 2 thumbs up
His head bob.
version.
Sam, you want to try this? Try a little bit. No, I won't give you the chicken.
We ordered that for you, Sam.
I'm most excited for the naan though.
Oh, they're all good.
Yay. Oops.
Thank you guys.
Yeah, thank you.
We get to break bread together, quite literally. We'll have you guys over next time. It's our first time over. I can't believe it in all the years we've known you
Sorry
guys.
that it was delayed.
Same with us. It's good, Lincoln?
You approve too?
What's your favorite food?
Taco?
Tacos?
Oh yeah, he loves tacos. But like the Taco Bell type, you know? Like the hard shell, the ground beef, like
Is there anything Korean that you like? Do you like Korean food? What's your favorite Korean food?
Spam.
he doesn't like spicy.
Oh no.
Your kids like
In
spicy?
Uh-huh.
Did they always like spicy?
They don't have a choice because grandmother is from the country.
So she makes everything
Yeah.
spicy. I just grabbed everything without knowing. That's the fish? Oh, I don't even know where it's on my plate.
In there.
Okay, where's the fish? This one?
Right there.
This is the fish?
Uh-huh.
Did you try the fish, Joe? Oh, it's so flaky looking.
You're a food person, Julie. What's the most unique thing you ate?
That's a hard question.
No.
I don't know. I gotta think about that one.
Well, I never thought I'd live to see the day that I'm okay with eating bugs. I have eaten bugs.
You have? Which ones?
Grasshoppers, Mexican.
Yeah. On tacos?
Brains. I've had brains.
Ew!
I've had lamb brains from culinary school. They made us eat all the.
Do they really?
They did. They made us eat like the brains, the heart, like the kidney.
I don't want to go
Yeah.
culinary school.
Yeah, because they wanted us, like, they had to teach us butchering and, like, you know, all the parts of the animal and, like, you had to, like, how to prepare it.
a lamb's brain and
Would you do it again if you had a choice?
To eat it again. I personally don't like innards and offals and like that
Oh,
kind of stuff.
I love
Yeah.
it. I love innards.
I know a lot of Koreans like, you know, gopchang and like, you know, the innards and stuff, but I never really was a huge fan of it. But you like that. It's not bad for you, right, Joe? Or you at least like,
I'll try, yeah.
I do like crab innards and things like that, like seafood stuff. Yeah. It's the umami flavor. This is super good. You know, I've had Indian in near our place and they didn't have naan. They didn't even sell naan.
Oh, that's weird.
Yeah, and that's like the best part of it. They had other things like paratha or like some other kind of bread.
That's what the.
Yeah, that's why I'm like so happy about the big naan.
Oh, I just sucked the bone marrow. That was so good.
Oh yeah, the goat. I like how you guys are doing kind of like a food review with me. This is fun. I didn't even think that I would be vlogging here, you know, because I feel a little bit rude, like I'm not in the moment hanging out with friends. You guys like are so sweet, and like I feel like everyone I've been putting on the vlog has been so gracious and like been okay with it. So thank you.
No problem. Occasionally we come across people and they're like, "Oh, you know Julie? I watch her YouTube."
Oh yeah? We're,
I'm
that's
talking
funny.
about non-church people.
Yeah, like people on the street. Like, yeah. Are you eating your food? Oh, you ate. Do you want more?
Oh wow.
You want more? Okay, we'll get you more. Good job, Lincoln.
Good job.
Can I have your plate?
Did we finish your story or?
What did we leave off?
Internship?
This is good.
Oh, is it?
Good.
It's my bakery skills from New York.
Oh,
Just kidding. It's just
wow.
Rice Krispies, but I did make them at the bakery. I always add a little something extra. Can you tell what it was?
Maybe Aiden again.
Marshmallow?
Besides marshmallow.
Aiden's our chef.
Butter?
Yeah, that's normal.
I feel like it's like,
Rice Krispie?
I don't know, like nutmeg or something. Something like some spice that's like
think so?
usually not in here. I don't know.
He's like really focusing, trying to figure it out. No,
Is this mine?
it's something very simple.
Butter?
No, that's normal. Huh?
Tastes like Cheerios.
This is an normal ingredient, but you don't normally put it in Rice Krispie treats?
Well, I wouldn't say everyone puts it in. Yeah. What is it?
I don't know.
Oh, you were thinking?
Oh, you're thinking? Oh, you look like you're in pain.
You put cinnamon in here?
Nope. You have nutmeg, cinnamon, honey. Does it taste normal to you? Does it taste completely normal to you?
No. It tastes salt.
You're right. Oh, yes.
I was like, I just started tasting the salt.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh.
It's just salt.
Why do you do that?
Because sometimes with certain things, when
Oh,
you
I
add
just
a
tasted it,
yeah, when you add a little bit of salt, it actually brings out the like roundness of the food, or like it's like the sweetness of the food comes out more. Yeah, good job, guys. Good sleuthing. But it's funny that you tasted all these certain notes in it that wasn't even in there, like cinnamon, nutmeg, honey, Cheerios, whatever. We're back home. I'm pretty tired, and I didn't think I was even gonna vlog today because I was just like busy running around doing real life stuff, like going to Target and then coming home and racing around and actually trying to cook and stuff at a time crunch. But it was fun to just kind of turn on the camera. I mean, it was because Joe forced me to, and it's kind of nice because this Vlogmas is actually making me exercise this muscle of turning on the camera and vlogging, even if I don't feel like it, because it's just a discipline. Just like any other job. So just trying it out, but it ended up being fun. And I'm so thankful that our friends, Amy and Howie, were like so gracious and so cool about being on camera. And the cool thing is that their son, Aiden, when we asked him, like, what is it that you want to be when you grow up? He said, chef. And I had no idea that's what he really wanted to do. But it makes sense because he was really analyzing my Rice Krispies to see what I put in them. So I was like, oh, that's interesting. It was a good time with good friends, and I'm glad that we got to take you along. So that's kind of what a typical day that we have over the weekend. And I'm glad that sometimes we're at home just doing nothing, but other times we do things with friends. It was fun. Okay, gotta get the kids to bed. It's super late. It's like way past everyone's bedtime, including mine. I gotta wake up early for Taylor. Okay, anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.